Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ekello, and this is Why AI Matters. Okay, what are we doing today? We are going to show you how to install Hermes, the agent Hermes. I would show you how to install OpenClaw, but we can do that when it's a bit more involved. We can talk about the different levels of how to do that. But right now, what we're going to do is we're going to easily install Hermes. And I'm going to show you all you have to do, really, honestly, is have an account with either OpenAI or Claude. And you'll be able to get this sucker right down, right here on Why AI Matters. We are in Claude Code. And you say to yourself, why are we starting in Claude Code? Because this is the absolute way that you, as a person who is not technical in any way, this is the way that you install things that are really complicated. So what we're going to do is we're just going to start with a very simple prompt. Do me a favor and go online and look for Hermes. I would absolutely love to have Hermes, the agent, on my computer. Do some research online and find out what it is you need to do in order for that to happen. I also need to actually turn on one thing. Oh, no, I do not. Okay, and then we are ready to go. Now, while it's doing that, let's have a conversation about what Hermes is. Hermes is just like OpenClaw and a lot like Claude Code, except that you can plug anything into it. And you can also do that with OpenClaw. The biggest difference, but I've got a front end for the agent, the Hermes agent, where I can create multiple sessions that kind of keys into the command line and all of the things. It works really well. I've already tested it, so I'm excited to test it again on a faster machine too. So this ought to be very interesting to see what the test shows us. Okay, gives me some information. Hermes, Hermes Doctor, all of these command line things. I'm going to say to it, I want to install Hermes. Could we do that right now, please? That's it. That's all you do. And right now it is looking online. I have to say that the reason I do the terminal, the reason I use the terminal is so that I can turn off the permissions and go the YOLO route and actually get this done. Would like it to delegate this stuff to sub-agents and so on and so forth to save me tokens. It's always about saving tokens, so remember that. Now it's asking me whether or not it's asking me whether I want to install FFmpeg and Ripgrep, which are both needed for TTS, which is text-to-speech, voice messages, and stuff like that. I probably should, and it's thinking that it wants to do all this itself. So what I need to do is make sure I say in this instruction, please, lots and lots of sub-agents. Can we have sub-agents doing all of this stuff, please? That's as easy as it gets. I don't want you to stress, foos. It has installed the Hermes agent, which is really cool. It has installed Ollama, which is really cool. I just need to actually activate it, and which I can do probably from the application. And Homebrew right here needs my password, so I'm going to have it give me a link right now, and then on top of that, Ripgrep and FFmpeg, which are needed, is waiting on Homebrew. So we're going to get that done, and I'll be right back. I've told people many, many times that they need to get on GitHub. You tell your computer that you want to install the GitHub CLI. You want to install GHCLI. And then you just sign into your GitHub, and then so I was able to do my password, and the whole thing is done now. All right, sending Haiku to finish the job. First, we'll pull Hank up on a command line interface and have a lot of fun with him. I like to call Hermes Hank. Hence my hook Ollama, the back end of it, up to OpenClaw. Let's see all of the cloud stuff that I have access to. The cloud models, please. Please have subagents do the background work while you tell me about the Ollama models that we have access to, Ollama. All right, so the reason I did that was because everything is set up. It's going to have background agents like do all of this work, and then me and it are going to have a conversation. Well, it just did a very weird thing. It actually tried to suggest which models I need to pull down to use. I don't want to use any of these. Actually, we have access to cloud models. Why don't you go up and look at the cloud models through the Ollama CLI. Please be smart about this. Thank you. That should probably fix it. It doesn't realize that it can use that tool. Okay, here is the moment of truth. I'm in the terminal. Hermes is a terminal-based agent. Like I said, don't be scared of the terminal. All I'm going to do is type in Hermes. Hermes. Or I could even dictate it. Hermes. And hit enter. And what it's doing right now is it's going and it's pulling up Hermes. And there, ladies and gentlemen, is Hermes. You now have your pretty much easy step-by-step way to get Hermes. But that's it. That's how you install Hermes. And you can install it on any computer, and it's terminal based. And since it isn't persistent, it's one of the most safest agents that you could possibly use. And I'm using my backend, a $20 subscription to Ollama. And right now I'm using GLM 5.1, and it is dirt cheap, and I can run it like all the time. This is the big deal right here. This is the easy part. This is the fun part. You type in, I say Hermes setup, and then Hermes setup is right there. I hit enter. So it was getting a little persnickety, so I asked it, please, could you just do all the rest of this yourself? And it did. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. If you ask it to, it will do the rest itself. Run a new terminal and see if this has fun with us. Here we go. In turn, we've started this new one up. Isn't that cool? I should just be able to say, switch to GLM 5.1 cloud. Hey, EJ. Oh, how does it know my name? Butch here. Ready to go. What are you working on? Well, that was cool because I bet it read my agent files at the top level and kind of took on that persona. That's really cool. I am very excited. Now it's going to use some tools and see if it can do what it needs to do. It has available skills to it, like Apple Notes and stuff like that. Ooh, that's pretty much it. Thank you. Do me a favor. A lot of you are watching the videos. You aren't subscribed. Subscribe. Talk to you.